Hi, I'm Darren Griffin, President and CEO of the Reno-Tahoe Airport Authority.
Hi, I'm Jennifer Cunningham, Chair of the Reno-Tahoe Airport Board of Trustees.
This year, art landed in a major way here at the Reno-Tahoe International Airport.
Our commitment to dedicating 1% of capital improvement costs to public art ensures that creativity remains at the heart of our airport evolution.
We installed our first ever public art installation, the 450-foot-long repeated refrains.
This initiative celebrates Reno-Tahoe's rich artistic culture.
Our MoreRNO Infrastructure Program includes more art.
To help guide this vision, we've established an art advisory committee. We'll bring together leaders from our community, advocates, and art experts.
Hi, I'm Ed Lawson, Mayor of Sparks, and I'm here at the airport to talk to you a little bit about public art.
I'm Alexis Hill, and I am a Washoe County Commissioner and Chair of the Washoe County Board of Commissioners, and I have passion for public art in our community.
Sparks has a very robust art program in the downtown. The one particular piece of art that I really love in Sparks is there's a heart and it has a family that's holding it up, and it kind of symbolizes the city of Sparks as a family-oriented community.
Washoe County has been investing in the Art Trail, which is a trail that you can take from Black Rock Desert down to downtown Reno and enjoy all the incredible art amenities.
We're committed to public art because, one, we build spaces, and two, we transform those spaces into great experiences that help people relax as you're experiencing the airport.
When you're stuck on a long delay, there's nothing like a gallery or an installation to bring a little smile and relaxation to your face.
When you're moving through a public space, maybe an airport or around a city street or around a community, suddenly you feel this connection with whoever made this work.
What I love about public art is the sense of civic pride that it gives.
Public art especially is one thing that just makes the community so much stronger because it's accessible to all.
Washoe County wants to be a partner with the airport to ensure that we support our local artists and support public art.
We're pretty proud of what we do in Sparks, and we're very proud of what's happening here at the Reno-Tahoe International Airport.
I'm so excited to see how these projects will transform our airport into spaces that are not only functional, but inspirational, reflecting the beauty and the spirit and the identity of our region.
Public art will be something that we continue to do as the MoreRNO program unfolds over the next 4 years.
I love public art.
I love public art.
I love public art.
I love public art.
And we love public art.
Thank you for supporting arts at the airport. Please visit renoairport.com/arts.